You get a puppy.
Monster truck.
Yep.
Monster tires.
Yep.
Monster life.
Yep. Monster Mac. So I'm not really sure what's going on. Oh, they're all out there getting quality content, and I'm just in the truck. Wow. My bad, guys. How's your day?
I mean, that's a pretty cool 19th birthday, yeah.
Yep. Okay. How's your day?
Wonderful.
How's your day?
Wonderful.
Windy.
How's your day? Good. Good. We're watching Whistlindiesel videos when we are literally at his house. I can't. Us girls took Gabe's truck to go get tacos. And we get back and they're like, okay, we're gonna go out to eat. And so I have a 12-pack of tacos, so maybe I'll just give them out at the meet. I don't know. We're just kind of chilling in the bed right now.
We're kind of chilling in the bed.
They might want to ask for your ID though.
It's on airbags. Leave him alone. Pollution. Hi. Oh, there's Portilla.
Oh my god.
Yeah. What the hell?
There's a McLaren.
Sacrifice, y'all. I pray every night, 'cause I get one hell of a life. Oh my God, still on lockdown, and he just sent me a kite. One hell of a life. Yeah, you were watching my because of the coupe, but it looked like a new coupe inside it. Now I'm not from New York, but I'm a motherfucking giant. Hey, went from having nothing to in Dubai shopping. She got fake tissue.
at 4 speed, I don't want your drugs, but I smoke gangsta shoot. If you hear a nigga, you don't even talking shit. I is the cutest bitch, Latino or Peruvian bitch. I just took her brain, now she's acting like a stupid. I do not take breaks. I've been in LA too long. I see the same.
Okay, so we're parked.
Is that the cheese ball?
There's a DHR blowing flames. Hopefully Gabe's getting footage of that.
Where is it? I know.
Thousands of trucks.
Holy shit!
Spaghetti, where'd it go? Come on. I don't know if I'm gonna get it on camera, but the cops are here. Oh God.
So just hurry up, come on, you waste time, let's go.
Cops are here. It's getting pumped. They're stopping us.
You will be arrested.
Yeah, they said this is the blah 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 police. If you occupy the property any longer, you getting arrested. So
They're gonna have to build a whole prison for us.
yeah, it's gonna be. Ooh. Of course. Okay, they're announcing something, but Gabe's playing his music. So Gabe just got a public safety warning.
You shutting shit down.
Crew's here with Whistling, and location got sent out somewhere, which is fine, no one cares. But we just think it's funny how there's a whole fleet. Yeah, they already know.
About to do a thing.
Leave. Okay, hey, I look rough. We're going to Whistlin's farm.
Again. Monster truck shit.
Yeah. How you feel? How was last night?
Pretty fun.
It was wonderful. Splendid. Good.
Happy birthday.
Yeah. Ooh, why did your window do that? Oh my God. fold this weekend.
Yeah.
Fuck. I'm not driving all the way back over there. Hey, it worked.
I mean, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, so far.
That's pretty cool.
The wheels? Yeah.
We're under monster bags.
We're just standing underneath this comfortably. Like the normal.
Like if it was pouring, like it would be no
real train
problem.
horns.
Yeah.
6 real train horns. That's a big freaking tank. Jesus Christ.
Just your normal everyday activities.
Oh, you should see Eric's when he comes here. Oh my god. It's black.
Oh my gosh.
Look, see? Right here.
Here's a scrap pile. That's pretty cool.
The most beautiful scrap pile you'll ever see.
Yes. Memories. Also, there's a basketball.
Rangers. This car means nothing to me, so this ain't a truck.
And off we go.
It's a good time.
Alright, I'm ending the video here because I'm tired. We're going to the lake.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll record that. If I don't.
See you guys next time.
Yeah, goodbye.